everyone, and welcome back to Cam's Toy Box. So as you know, Easter is just around the corner now. So today we have this beautifully decorated giant Play-Doh wrapped surprise egg. It's all decked out with flowers and the Easter bunny, of course. We have a couple of Easter eggs on top of there. But as beautiful as it is, I can't wait to unwrap it and see what's hiding inside. I am going to start with this beautiful, beautiful spring flower here. Isn't that gorgeous? Don't you just love spring and all the colors of spring? And of course we have butterflies in spring, right? Take down our Easter eggs. Our Easter bunny, right? Pop, 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 pop. And some of our little circles can come off too. All right. Now I cannot wait to see what is inside of this egg. Wow, that is a lot of green Play-Doh. Oh my gosh. That suddenly looks like a lot of surprises inside of this egg. Oh my goodness. Holy moly, look at all that Play-Doh. All right, let's get a little closer, see what we have in here. Oh my gosh, I see blind bags and Easter egg surprises, Mashems. Oh my gosh, so much stuff. All right, let's get in there and see what we have. I'm afraid it's all gonna fall out when I open it. Let's see. There we go. Okay, just a few fell out. That's not so bad. So let's get started with the ones that fell out before. Yeah, we might as well start with an egg, right? So here is a little Shopkins Easter Egg. Oh, and we have candy inside. Oh, and it's in the shape of some of the little Shopkins. You see that? There's the creamy cupcake. Aww. Is that Cookie? Yeah, I think it is. Aw, these are so cute. I bet you they taste really good too. Okay, let's see. Our next one is a Barbie Fashems surprise from Series 1. Aw, and it's Barbie dressed as a firefighter. Aw, she's super cute and very, very squishy. And here is a Thomas and Friends Mashems from Series 1. And this is Sir Topham Hat. And he's really super, super squishy. Look at that. And here we have a Lalaloopsy mini paint can surprise. And inside is a little poster. And it's also the collector's guide. It shows you all the different mini dolls you can collect. Aww, look how cute she is. It looks like her hair is ice cream. Looks like mint chocolate chip ice cream. Now this is Scoop's waffle cone, and she's from the Sweets collection. There she is right there. I'll tell you, her hair looks really, really yummy. And our next surprise is a Finding Dory Series 1 Squishy Pop surprise. Little seashell, inside is the flyer with lots of different characters to collect. And this is Destiny. And this is a crystal Destiny. See how she's kind of see-through? And here's her little suction cup. And she pops. And here's a Shopkins egg. With 2 Shopkins inside. Here is our first Shopkin. And our second Shopkin. These are twin earrings. And this is comfy chair. And these ones are on pastel for Easter. So cute. And here we have a Crystal Surprise Babies from Series 3. And these are fantasy editions. Pretty gem, right? And inside is a collector's guide. Lots and lots of Crystal Surprise Babies to collect. So many. Let's see who we have. Here's a little sticker and it shows you who's inside. So we have Uma, and she is a unicorn. Let's see. Oh, look how pretty. Look at that beautiful green color. Nice and shiny, just like crystal. And here we have a Doc McStuffins surprise bag. It's a toy hospital bag from Series 8. Shows all the different ones you can collect. Do you know who this is? Oh my gosh! Look who we have! They got the rare one! Rare Glitter Stuffy! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it! Wow, we are so super lucky today! We got the rare Glitter Stuffy! I'm so excited! Oh my goodness! Oh, that is a wonderful, wonderful find! Super exciting. I can't believe it. All right, let's see what else we get. Here is a Hello Kitty chocolate surprise egg. Ooh, with white chocolate and milk chocolate. And here is the flyer. With lots of little Hello Kitty tags to collect. Aw, and here's Hello Kitty. And she's holding a little daisy. Perfect for springtime. And here we have a Lalaloopsy Tinies button surprise. And inside is a collector's guide. Shows all the different collections and all of the different little tinies we can collect. There are some rare glitter ones. I hope we get that. We got lucky with Stuffy, so maybe we'll get lucky again. Not a glitter one today, but that's okay. Oh, I can't get it to go the right way. We got a little bird. Look how cute. It's another little springtime animal, right? A little birdie tweeting. Let's see if I can find her on the guide. There she is, down here in Bea's schoolhouse. There she is right there. Number 489. Oh, very cute. And what is this? Here we have a Disney Wonderball surprise. It includes stickers and candy, and you never know which character you're going to get, which theme. It also has 4 different flavors. Oh, here's all of our favorite Disney movies. Finding Dory, Mickey. Let's see, Cars. Ooh, look at that beautiful chocolate ball. Oh, and what did we get? We got Mickey. Mickey and Minnie. Aw, little Mickey, little Minnie surprise candies. Now, where are the stickers? Maybe they're in the box? Yes, here they are. Aw, we have Sheriff Woody and Minnie Mouse. Very cute. And here's another Easter egg. Oh, it has trolls on it. We have Branch and Poppy. Oh, and more stickers. Cooper and Poppy, the whole gang. Here's Guy Diamond and Branch. Ooh, and here's another troll surprise. This is a Trolls Chupa Chups surprise. And it's a Lollipop surprise. Isn't that cute? Let's see, let's press the button. Oh, that's cool. Inside we have a lollipop, strawberry. Here is a flyer. And it shows all the different trolls you can get. Ooh, and I even see some Bergens. And we have DJ Suki. Wearing her headphones, of course. And she comes on a cool string. And also comes with a display stand. Oh, here we have a Toy Story blind bag. Now these are all new for 2017. And it comes with all of one of these characters. And there's a special edition bullseye you can try to get. Maybe we'll be more lucky. We got lucky with the Doc McStuffins one. And who did we get? Oh, we didn't get bullseye, but I've been wanting this one. We got Wheezy. I just love Wheezy. Yay, I'm so glad I got this one. He is so super cute. I just love the Toy Story movies. And here's a Frozen surprise. And let's see, there are 3 different figures we can get. They're actually keychains, little key rings. And we have Princess Anna in her beautiful dress and her cape. And she comes on this cool little key ring. Anything else hiding in there? Oh yeah, we got more. We have more eggs. Let's see, we have a Paw Patrol egg and another Trolls egg. Let's do the Paw Patrol first. Oh, and we have candy inside. And they have little paw prints on them. Super cute for Paw Patrol. And here is our Trolls egg with Branch on the front. What do you think, candy or stickers? I think, yep, it's candy. Oh, look how pretty. They're little trolls' heads. Oh, I just love the bright colors. Just like the trolls, right? They all have that beautiful, beautiful bright hair. And here we have a Shopkins Light Up Surprise. This is from Series 2. There are 8 in all to collect. Oh wow, look how nice. It comes on a little key ring. Look, I love SBK on the back. And if you press it, it lights up. And this is Melty Moment. Isn't that beautiful? I love these key rings. That is such a nice looking prize. Is this the last one? Is anything else in there? Yep, this is our last one. Here we have a big giant Peppa Pig surprise egg. It says it comes with candy, stickers, and a bonus toy surprise. Whoa, get back here. Twist and twist and twist. Oh my goodness. Look at that. There's Peppa on the front. It says oink. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It looks like a lot of candy. Oh, I see jelly beans. What's better for Easter than jelly beans? Aw. Look, and here's little candies. Look how cute and pretty. Nice bright colors. Aw, they look like little carrot sticks and little bunny rabbits. And of course, more jelly beans. Aw, these are really, really pretty. Oh, look at these. I love these. These are candy bracelets. Look how nice. So you can wear these, and then when you get hungry, you can have a snack. How cute is that? More bracelets. Here is the stickers. Aw, we have Peppa, George, Susie, and Pedro. And let's see what our special toy is. Looks like a little key ring. Aw, and it says Peppa Pig. We got lots of keychains today. Okay guys, that's it for our surprises today. I am so excited we got this rare glitter Stuffy. That was just amazing. He is by far my favorite. Don't forget to leave me a comment, let me know which one was your favorite, and definitely give a thumbs up and subscribe for more toys and surprises every single day. I hope you have a happy Easter. Bye now.